livestock feeds. Specifically, in this year's budget, we have waived duty on yellow maize for animal feed production. I will shortly have a conversation with all the manufacturers of our animal feed so that we engage and find ways beyond the interventions we already have to ensure that our dairy, leather, and in general livestock sector is taken care of. 2/3 of our country's agricultural land requires irrigation, but only 4% is under irrigation. I believe that irrigation is a singular transformative intervention that will liberate agricultural productivity from low and erratic rainfall patterns and enable farmers to be in active production throughout the year. And that is the reason why we have a comprehensive government program to ensure that we harvest and store water in dams, in microdams, in ponds, and a comprehensive program is being undertaken by the Ministry of Water and Irrigation and working with the private sector under the PPP program to ensure that we increase the land under irrigation from the current 60,000 to 250,000 by next year and 500,000 hectares in 5 years. Aside from productivity, another key challenge to the performance of the agricultural sector is the subdivision of land holding into units that are not agriculturally viable and pressure on available land by settlement and other uses. And it is the reason why our affordable housing program, which is currently underway, is partly a solution to reversing the land fragmentation that is going on so that we can use other alternatives of settlement in our affordable housing program and release land that currently is being used for settlement for agricultural productivity in our land consolidation program. This will go a long way in ensuring that we deliver on our commitment on increasing food production and enhancing food security in our country. We are intentional about actualizing our vision for agricultural transformation through increased productivity and determined to prosecute a direct line of attack against the high cost of living, poverty, and unemployment. We have embarked on the focused execution of the plan to enhance productivity in several agricultural value chains to promote self-sufficiency and also export competitiveness. We expect the fruits of this intervention to begin accruing shortly, and in the maize, especially in the maize harvesting season, through sustained affordability of stable and other food commodities. In all our interventions in supporting production, we have chosen the prudent and promising option to subsidize production. We have chosen to take the side of farmers, Kenya's foremost hustlers, and the people at the bottom of the economic pyramid. We have embraced bottom-up transformation of the foundational sector, that is agriculture, in order to ignite the engine of our national development. And in doing so, we have intervened to bring all the variables within our reach, affecting the cost of living under control through strategic investment in critical value chains. This leaves us with a separate undertaking of managing the variables beyond our control, which are subject to global market and supply chain dynamics. I wish to emphasize that for the benefit of the local and international investors, that all the strategic interventions in various sectors and value chains represent attractive investment opportunities that will generously reward smart capital, especially capital that concerns itself with appropriate technology and innovation. You are encouraged to get in touch with the Ministries of Agriculture and Livestock Development, Water and Irrigation, and Industrialization, Trade and Investment for further details regarding the various investment opportunities. Regardless of sector or value chain, any discussion of climate-smart agriculture or trade initiatives or bottom-up agricultural transformation is a discussion of opportunities for investment. I commend the Agricultural Show of Kenya and its affiliates and partners for once again putting together another edition of the Nairobi International Trade Fair that meets the highest standard. And I am encouraged by the many Kenyans, the thousands of Kenyans that I have come across as I went around this showground. Congratulations to the organizers, my very best wishes to ASK, and we look forward to working with you going into the future. Asanteni sana na nataka niwashukuru wakulima wote. Vile nimesema hapa, kilimo ni muhimu kwa sababu inatusaidia kupunguza gharama ya maisha kwa kuhakikisha kwamba tunazalisha chakula ya kutosha. Kilimo ni muhimu kwa sababu inatupatia raw material ya viwanda zetu zote. 40% ya raw materials ya viwanda zetu zote zinatoka kwa kilimo. Kilimo inatusaidia katika kupanua nafasi za ajira katika taifa letu la Kenya. Na kilimo pia inatusaidia kuondoa umaskini katika taifa letu la Kenya. Na ndio sababu tumetia mkazo mkubwa na tumeweka maanani sana mpango yetu ya kilimo na kusaidiana na wakulima ili tuongeze mapato ya wakulima, tuongeze nafasi ya ajira na tuongeze nafasi ya kupanua viwanda zetu kutumia kilimo na bidhaa zinazotoka katika kilimo. Let me also take this opportunity to say we are truly happy. Ni jambo ambalo alihusika ni na mambo ya hapa show, lakini nimepatiwa habari ya kwamba Kenya ikiungana na Uganda na Tanzania tumefaulu kuwa host wa AFCON in 2027. Nataka nipongeze wizara yetu ambayo inasimamia michezo na washikadau wote katika sekta hiyo kwamba ile mpango tumekuwa nayo ya kubadilisha mambo katika sekta ya mchezo sasa inaanza kufua dafu. Many people never believed that we had a chance of hosting AFCON in 2027 because of the state of our football and the state of our sports in general. But I am very proud today that Kenya, together with our partners in Uganda and Tanzania, jointly we have won the right to host AFCON in 2027, and we are very proud of this achievement. We will now mobilize every resource. We will mobilize every person and every sector to make sure that we deliver a world-class football event in 2027. We will make sure that whatever infrastructural facility that are required will be made available to make sure that we move Kenya to the next level in our sports industry. Asanteni sana na Mungu awabariki. Thank you.
Asante sana Mheshimiwa Rais. Nitamuomba ruhusa Mheshimiwa Rais kutulia kidogo kwenye kiti chake ili tuweze kujipanga kwa wale ambao wanaopokea awards. Nimwalike Bwana John Kibera na CEO wetu wajiongee hapa mbele ili tuweze kujipanga. Na wale wote ambao wanaohusika in the awards, kindly we meet on my left. CEO and Mr. Kibera.
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, the Society Patron, we kindly request you to present the following members who have rendered exemplary and continuous service to the ASK. We start with the live governance position, 25 years. Cleophas Okore. Frederick Talus. Frederick Talus. Stanare Mukaria Mainge. Richard Ayaibe Kipkoesh. Dixon Nyaga Kaugi. Dixon Nyaga Kaugi. Mere Oengo Omolo. Daniel Kenyajui Waidaka in absentia. Patrick Kalega Munuhe. Enoch Kimutai. To. Mohamed Bure. $50 years award. Lee Canon Humphrey Were. Lee Canon Humphrey Were. 50 years long service award. 40 years award, Joseph Mugo. Samuel Mweu. Thank you, Your Excellency.
Your Excellency, sir, I now present to you the following winners for the exhibitors for 2023 stands. The best stand that interprets a show government is the Kenya Defence Forces. The best innovation and intention stand, Kenya Defence Forces.
Tuwape makofi Kenya Defence Forces. Na rais ndiye amiri jeshi mkuu wa majeshi ya
The best stand that interprets current show theme, education and research, University of Nairobi.
Tuwape makofi chuo kikuu cha Nairobi.
The stand that interprets best current show theme in agriculture-based Green Africa Group.
Tuwape makofi Green Africa Group.
The stand that interprets best current show theme in an agro-based and financial industry, Kenya Commercial Bank.
Tuwape KCB makofi.
The best large trade stand, commercial and industrial, Kenya Ports Authority.
Tuwape KPA makofi mazuri.
The best stand that demonstrates the application of the environmental standards, Kenya Ports Authority. The best stand that the small trade stand, commercial and industrial, Kenya Cooperative Creameries, Kenya. The best local stand in strategies and international trade and exports, Kenya Tea Development Authority. The best government ministry stand, Office of the Attorney General and the Department of Justice. The best regulatory authority and cooperation stand, Kenya Plant Health Inspectorate Services. The best agricultural-based statutory board commission stand, Agriculture and Food Authority. The best county and county department stand, Nairobi County Food, Agriculture, Livestock and Fisheries. The most striking display demonstrating of local manufactured products, Kenya Prison Services. The best bank stand, the best bank stand, Cooperative Bank of Kenya. The best micro-financial institution stand, Kenya Industrial Estates. The best cooperative movement and Orsako, Githunguri Dairy. The best University stand, Jomo Kenyatta University of Agriculture and Technology. The best tertiary level education institution stand, Kenya Medical Training College. The best stand in research and development and seed, Kenya Seed Limited. The best stand embracing information technology and communication system, Communication Authority of Kenya. The best government social function stand, the judiciary. The best organization, association, community projects stand, Kenya Forest Services. And finally, the best media stand, the presidency, State House.
Nitaomba tafadhali sasa tuondoke kwenye uga ili tuweze kuwa na paredi ya mifugo wetu. Tafadhali niombe sasa tumpe nafasi Mheshimiwa Rais kuweza kutazama. Ni kwa ajili ya muda, hatungezipeana zote 80, lakini tumepeana kama ishara, just symbolic, kindly. Livestock parade, we proceed. Kari, if you can hear me, kindly proceed to where I'm announcing from. Kari, the announcer. Tuondoke sote tafadhali kwenye uwanja ili tuweze kuwa sasa na paredi yetu ya mifugo ambayo ni kilele cha sherehe hii na kisha baadaye sherehe za machweo. Kwa sasa Mheshimiwa Rais, ni paredi yetu ya wanyama, gwaride la wanyama. Namuona mzee wa kazi Kari akiongoza pale mbele ili aweze kufika hapa Mheshimiwa Rais na kutuelekeza kadri mambo yanavyojiri katika kilimo chetu. Nitaomba waje moja kwa moja, ofisa anayetusaidia tafadhali waje moja kwa moja. Kumbuka kwamba ni siku rasmi, siku ya leo ambapo tumekuwa na mlezi wetu Mheshimiwa Daktari William Ruto, rais wetu wa Jamhuri ya Kenya na amiri jeshi mkuu wa majeshi ya ulinzi, hapa katika maonyesho yetu ya kimataifa ya biashara, ukipenda 2023 Nairobi International Trade Fair. Siku ya leo tukizingatia masuala ya kilimo bora ili kuweza kujitosheleza na kilimo na hata kuweza kuboresha uchumi wetu kupitia masuala mbalimbali yanayoambatana na kilimo. Kari, kindly let us reduce the parade too far. May we reduce it kindly? We cut in. Thank you, Kari. Kindly bring it in. Calvo. Turi, thank you so much Turi and the organizing team kwa gwaride hili nzuri la mifugo wetu, wakiongoza wanyama wetu ambao ni ng'ombe, kisha kule nyuma watafuatia mbuzi na kondoo, na tutakuwa tunamaliza gwaride letu. Kwa hivyo nitakuwa nampisha atakayemweleza Mheshimiwa Rais ndugu yetu Turi ili tuweze kupata kufahamishwa zaidi kuhusiana na hawa wanyama ambao watapita mbele ya Mheshimiwa Rais siku ya leo.
Yeah. Welcome, Your Excellency. We are presenting you the Boran breed, the Kenyan breed, developed in Kenya. That's why it's leading the parade. After the Borans, we go alphabetical order. The following are, after those Borans, we are getting the Ashers. Those Borans, they come from very hardy areas, I think you know. And they always come with the young ones because they can't leave them at home. They must come. Ashers from Olgatongo, Ashers from Katuka. Ashers is a very good dairy breed with good quality milk and very good quality animals. After that we get the Holstein Friesians from Namandala. They are very beautiful animals and very good as well. We did judge them this morning, and I hope the champion of the Friesians will be here as well. Dairy Cattle Research Navasha as a champion. Nyara Herd has done very well with her animals, and they are very beautiful. Now, where are the other animals going now? Those are the animals from Tassel's enterprises in Ruiru. They have done very well as well in the judging. But voglio poter sangia. Dio. Okay, panakuja sasa. All those black and whites are Holstein Friesians, and it is a very popular breed because it produces a lot of milk. And people ask sometimes, why do people only keep Friesians? And why? Because the milk price is attached to volume, and Friesians are known to produce large volumes or large quantities of milk. We have Tassel's Farm Limited here from Ruiru. They have done very well in the judging. They have a champion, the junior champion, a very beautiful animal, very nice animals. After Tassel's, we have ADC Olgatongo with the Gansis from Kitale. They are very beautiful animals and they produce the golden gassy creamy milk. It is AA milk which is having really very good properties. Now we have Leisure Farm from Nandi South. They have a mixed herd, they have a Jersey and a flag fee. And I think, and they were heading by a bull which they have been trying to do some fat stock as well, but they have not succeeded. These are the Sahiwals from Naivasha. It's a dual purpose breed, and in Naivasha they have a project crossing them with Holstein Friesian. These are the brown Swiss. That is, they say as well, a brown a dual purpose breed. There is one from Lisha Farm and an Asher from Lisha Farm. The Charolais is a beef breed from Suam Orchards, which is as well in Kitale, Trans-Nzoia, with the champions from ADC Nai, which is also Kitale, and followed by the crossbreeds from Dairy Cattle Research Station, Kalaro, Naivasha. So those two black ones, they are crosses between Sahiwal and Holstein Friesian. And they gave now a reasonable amount of milk. Yeah? the goats from Meru. We have Toggenburg, we have Saanen, we have meat goats, we have milk goats, a lot of champions, because there are quite a number of goat breeds in the country now, these days. Well done. These are meat goats. Mihoko Dairy Goat Farm. They are new exhibitors in the small stock section with very good animals. If you see there are so many champions, that is very good. Congratulations to them. Dairy Cattle Research Naivasha, Kauro, have goats as well. Gala goats, Saanen. Then we have the Kenya Prison Service. They entered animals as well into the judging. Now we have the small stock, the meat goats, the Dorper sheep, very favored and doing very well in Kenya. Marinda's sheep and goats, the wool sheep. They have really a very heavy coat, but that are the wool producers. And is there a red Maasai? Yes, the red Maasai has come back to the show. Poultry. Very many poultry farmers have come. The rabbits, they like to come to see the visitors, and rabbit products at the end. Thank you very much, Your Excellency.
Nitaomba sote kwa ruhusa ya Mheshimiwa Rais turudi kwenye jukwaa rasmi ili tuweze kuingia kwenye kipindi cha mwisho, kipindi cha sherehe za machweo. Tampisha mwenzangu aweze kuendelea.
Asante sana Mheshimiwa Rais kwa kuweza kuwatuza na kuwazawidi walioibuka bora katika makala haya mwaka huu 2023, maonyesho ya kilimo ya Nairobi. Basi wakati wote Mheshimiwa Rais, tutaweza kupokea bendi za pamoja kwa ajili ya sherehe za machweo ya jua, beating of the retreat by the mass band. Senior drum major, iwapo uko tayari tafadhali. Baada ya hawa wanaoondoka kuweza kuondoka, uwanja utakuwa wenu. Sherehe za machweo ya jua, beating of the retreat by the KDF band, by the mass band, samahani. Hizi ni bendi za pamoja zinazohusisha asasi zote za usalama. Bendi ya jeshi letu la nchi kavu, jeshi la wanaanga, jeshi la wanamaji, National Police Service, Administration Police, Kenya Prison Service, Kenya Wildlife Service, Kenya Forest Service na vijana wa huduma kwa taifa. hizi Mheshimiwa Rais hivi sasa zikiwa chini yake mwelekezi mkuu Senior Major wa Nusa 1 Mary Ekiru. Nilivyokuwa nimesema hapo awali, ni bendi za pamoja zinazohusisha asasi zote za usalama, bendi ya jeshi letu la nchi kavu, jeshi la wanaanga, jeshi la wanamaji, polisi wa taifa, General Service Unit, Administration Police, Kenya Prison Service, Kenya Wildlife Service, Kenya Forest Service na vijana wa huduma kwa taifa. Mheshimiwa Rais, tazama kwa umaridadi waelekezi hawa wanavyotekeleza wajibu wao kwa ustadi na weledi, kwamba kazi hii wanaifahamu zaidi. zamu sasa ya mkurugenzi wa muziki jeshi letu la anga Captain Peter Kimeo kuweza kuchukua nafasi yake ili kutekeleza wajibu wake siku ya leo. Mheshimiwa Rais, niombe sote tusimame kwa ajili ya wimbo wa Injili, wimbo wa kushusha bendera, wimbo wetu wa taifa na wimbo wa Jumuiya ya Afrika Mashariki. Mheshimiwa Rais, sasa mwelekezi wa bendi hizi akija kukuomba kwa heshima idhini ya kuweza kuondoa bendi hizi kwa pamoja.
Your Excellency, may I have your permission to march off the mass pansa?
Asanteni kwa heshima, tunaweza keti tafadhali. Wa muziki jeshi letu la wanaanga Kapteni Peter Kimeu akiondoka uwanjani sasa baada ya kutekeleza wajibu wake siku ya leo. Asante sana Mheshimiwa Rais kwa kuweza kupokea saluti hii ya heshima kutoka kwa bendi hizi za asasi zote za usalama kwa pamoja.